Barbara and Ellen, look at you. Go, Ellen. Go, pull her a little bit. Swing your arms cheek to cheek, Ellen. Woo! Go. Good. All right, now I'm gonna have you turn around. Barbara, quick, make a transition. Barbara, you put on. All right, now you're going up the hill. All right, Ellen, go. Why are you going so slow? Pick it up. No. Oh, good job. Go. Swing your arms, Barb. All the way to the next fire hydrant. Good. Nice. Pull her, Ellen. Go, Barbara, you're going too slow. Pick it up. Push, swing. Swing your arms. All the way to the fire hydrant. We're running out of tape here. Go faster. Go, sprint. All the way to the fire hydrant. Go.